Howdy everybody, Cowboy Carter back at it again with another banger, man. I first off want to say it's so fucking hot right now. If y'all are from Texas, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm literally sweating right now. But anyways, I'm bringing you guys a new video like I promised, weekly uploads. So excited to have another SRT8 and bring you guys some content. If y'all have not seen my new SRT8, it will be in the last video. It's doing great right now. I think we're about to hit 6,000 subscribers finally. I know I took a long break from uploading. Sometimes I'm inconsistent, but these weekly uploads are coming to y'all. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to your boy. This is my second SRT8 I've had, and a lot of you guys were curious to see how much I got this thing for. A lot of y'all had some crazy guesses. A lot of y'all had some close guesses. Huge shout out to you for guessing. If y'all want to be in the next video, go ahead and drop a comment. I'm gonna pick a random winner. So I know I asked you guys to help me out with parts and whatnot. Hit me up on Instagram if you can hook me up with anything. I will really appreciate it, guys. One of my buddies I met literally when I was trying to sell my SRT8. If y'all remember that video, when I sold my SRT8, I ran into him and he tried to buy it, but it was already sold. I kept in contact with him and he's bringing me some parts. Let's wait till he gets here. He has a badass truck. Let's hop right into it. Rear bumper right here, as y'all can see, black, so I don't have to paint it, and he gave me 2 tail lights even though I needed 1. Looking good so far. It's huge shout out to Richard for hooking it up with these parts. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate it. Badass truck you have, by the way. Also has an SRT8 charger he's been working on. If you guys want to see a video with that charger, it looks pretty damn clean. If y'all want to see a video of both of our cars together when they're fixed up a little bit more, drop them comments. And without further ado, let's hop right into the video. All right, everybody. It's been a while since I've tried to start this thing. I'd say it's been about a week since I've tried to start this car. Let's see if this works. I think the car is dead. Absolutely nothing. Well, seems every car I've ever owned needs to be jump started, so let's get this done. So while we wait on the car to charge up, as they're connected right now, I will talk to you guys and explain to you guys what is going on with the SRT8. So far, so good, or this thing gonna have big problems? Now, I told myself I would only keep this car if everything engine-wise was good. Can't believe it. Everything is good to go. So it's time to start building this thing. I have the sheet right here to show you guys what all needs to be done on this thing. And let's go ahead and show you guys the sheet and go ahead and talk about what's going on with the build right now. Now, if you guys look closely, I will whip out this sheet. It has everything on the car. Picked this up from the AutoZone the other day, and this is what's going on. 07 clean VIN. Here are the codes right here. If any of you guys are familiar with these, let me know. Now, the one thing that is going on right now, obviously, is C2100. As y'all can see, I'm literally charging this battery right now. For whatever reason, every car I ever get, people who own the car do not like take care of the most basic shit on it. Changing the oil, they don't want to do that. Replacing the tires. Literally, this is my 3rd car, not in a row. The 5th gen Camaro canceled that. But my old Chrysler, the battery would always die. I'd always have to jump start it. My red Camaro, that one, I always had to jump start it. I had to actually buy a new battery for that one. And now this car, it's just the most simple maintenance people don't want to do. I do not understand. So we're gonna take care of the battery. We're gonna go ahead and try to jump start this thing, and then there we'll go ahead and buy a new battery and install that. These other ones, I don't think they're big issues. If you guys know what these are, drop them in the comments. So far, the engine is completely good on the car. Nothing big is wrong, which is the main thing I was concerned about. Like I said, guys, it drove great. So I'm very excited about that. I do have some new parts already, thankfully. Before we go start this thing up, if y'all do have any parts that y'all could hook me up with or sell me for really cheap, hit your boy up, man. I need a lot. And let's go ahead and go try to start this car up and try to take it for a spin. It's moment of truth. No lights are popping up. I wonder, is the battery completely dead? I wish I had some sort of device to read that. Now, it has been a full week since I've driven this thing, and I think that's why it hasn't started, guys. By the way, those are the taillights that I had bought. It has been a full week since I've started this thing. Uh-oh. Long time no see, guys. Ooh, I haven't seen this car in so long, guys. It looks so sexy. Okay. What up, guys? Long time no see, brother. How y'all been? Oh, you brought the big boy. What up, man? I know y'all remember this car.
What we do here is go back.
Let's see if this puppy starts up. New battery in. I thought I was playing. There we go. All right, start the puppy up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on now. Yes, sir. Sounding healthy. Oh yeah, baby. Guys, she's running healthy. I guess that's it for the video. About to go film another video for y'all, so hopefully y'all enjoyed. Drop a comment to be shout out in the next video. Y'all make sure to stay tuned for the next one, and let's get it.